Hey, so if you're here, you're either of the two people. Maybe you're a job seeker or a job creator. When I mean by job seeker is you need a job and you're trying to add some skills to your resume. Or you are a job creator, an entrepreneur, you ever plan to start your own business, which means you want to add a skill to your portfolio, which is going to help you make more revenues, make more money in the future. So let me tell you what is copywriting number one. Copywriting is persuasive writing with an objective in your head to make your TG take a certain action. Let me repeat. Copywriting is persuasive writing with an objective in your head to make your TG take a certain action. Now, this one skill is extremely important because it is used to get attention to whatever skill you have. Which means, let's say you are a poet. Now, you're writing poetry and you're putting it probably on Instagram, but you may not be getting the right kind of audience. You're not getting the right reach. You're not making money. You have no idea how to even make money out of it. There are several other things, like you may be a graphic designer, you may be a web designer, you may be, I don't know, a marketer, but you are just lacking that attention from people. And let me tell you one thing, if you don't have the capability of getting people's attention, you might have the best of the best skills in the world, but it's all gone in vain because you couldn't get the right target group's attention on your product, service, skills, whatsoever it is. So that's what copywriting is. It's a little different from content writing, let me tell you. So content writing usually is the how of things, and copywriting is like the what. So what? It's like a newspaper headline, it gets your attention, and then you go forward and read the content after that. Now, usually people charge for content writing. Like I don't know if you're a content writer. In that case, I get a lot of people asking me a lot of different questions, like they need a job and they charge as less as, I feel really bad because they charge based on number of words and they charge as less as 100 rupees per article, 500, 1500. That's not enough. That's good for a hobby. And by the way, that will eventually die away. If your passion is not making you money, it's eventually going to die away. So let me just put it this way. Copywriting is a little different. Copywriting means you charge based on results. So if you're working for a certain client, or if you're working in a company, or even for your own business, you are writing to generate results. Like you have an objective in your head. Let's say I want to make sure through this copy I get more leads, or through this copy I get more sales. And through that, then you eventually basically are going to achieve your objective. And if that is done, that means it's a good copy. And there's several other skills along with that, which everything I'm going to cover in this program. So let me give you a small example. What is copywriting? Okay, so for example, I don't know if you're a 90s kid or not. There was this tagline. Do you remember? Meetha hai khana aaj pehli tareekh hai. Do you remember ये कौन से brand से associated है? Any idea? Yeah, you guessed it right. Cadbury. Most probably you know the answer, by the way. So Cadbury, इससे कुछ आया कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Now that's 4 words. 4 words. Now you cannot charge something based on 4 words. It doesn't make sense. And that's what copywriting is. Now copywriting, there's a lot of scope, by the way. Let me put it this way. The advertising industry in itself, in India only, is 70,000 crores. 70,000 crore ka industry hai. And copywriting is the first step of any professional advertisement. आप न्यूज़पेपर एड्स देखते हो, you see graphic ads, you see video ads, you see landing pages, copywriting a website, several funnels that you create. कई सारी चीज़ें होती है. Even Instagram comments and posts and hashtags used, etc. Everything is a part of copy. Emails भेजना, everything is a copy. एंड देयर इज अ सर्टेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इट हैज़. कई सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, वेबसाइट होता है बट उस वेबसाइट का कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव ही नहीं है. दैट्स वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स पीपल आर मेकिंग. एंड यहाँ पे कॉपी राइटिंग प्लेज अ ह्यूज रोल बिकॉज अराउंड 90% ऑफ द वेबसाइट्स आउट देयर हैज़ नो ऑब्जेक्टिव. वो सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. पर आप एक्चुअली कई सारे लोगों की मदद कर सकते हो. आप अपने कंपनी में, अपने ब्रांड में ये इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. कॉपी राइटिंग इज अ वेरी 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 पावरफुल स्किल एंड a must have if you're ever planning to start a business, if you're ever planning to get into marketing, do an MBA, or if you have a skill but you don't know how to monetize it. Copywriting is like so very important for you. I can't even tell you how much, because it's extremely important that way. तो चलो let's understand and dive a little into कि भाई copywriting में future क्या है पहले तो. Most of the copywriters become entrepreneurs. Kuch copywriters become creative heads. They become, like for example, the person I learned from was Billy Jean. That guy makes like $500 million annually. There are many other people out there who are making a lot of money. And it's incredible what they're doing. Now, copywriting usually will give you a revenue. An average copywriter makes around about 5 lakh rupees per month. Crazy lag raha hai, right? Ki 5 lakh rupees, what nonsense. But let me tell you one thing. 5 lakh rupees is very common because you're delivering results, you're getting results. जब आप रिजल्ट लाते हो, आप पहले देखो, मेरा ही काम है कि थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट आई टेक यू टू, लेट्स से, पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी. पॉइंट ए बीइंग दैट you are currently, you have no idea how to monetize your skills. Maybe you're getting money, but you're getting very little. I am here to take you to point B. At least, देखो, I'm going to take you from 0 to 1. That is 1 lakh rupees per month. उसके आगे you'd be able to do it yourself. That's the best part about this. But I'm going to help you so that you can go up to that point of time, like at that point. And in order to do that, I would be needing commitment from your side, and 2 hours in a week. Minimum 2 hours in a week. Maximum आप जितना दोगे, the better it is for you. See, there are like lot of things out here. Like there are belt certifications. It's a gold mine if you're a fresher, and several other things out here. And I am here to actually help you guys out in such an incredible manner that you won't find anything like this on the internet. Now, what do you have out here? Number one, you'll get an online course, which is but natural. Secondly, and I'll tell you, online course to chalo hai, which is amazing, far ahead, and something which is useful in the current era, and not just right now, but also for in the future. Secondly, this is extremely useful because we're going to have every single Thursday, 9:30 to 10:30, we have a live class. अब उस live class में I won't be interviewing random people, and it's not about all that. Majorly उस live class में I will be showing you and implementing something in real. And I'll be giving you an assignment based on that. So for example, we had covered LinkedIn optimization, Instagram optimization. हम लोगों ने क्या क्या cover कर रखा है. I literally created a website within 30 minutes, live, and showcased it. It's that simple. We spoke about how to collect emails. Like, okay, you can send mails, but वो mails मिलेंगे कहाँ से? For free. I've even spoken about that. So several other things. अभी तो मैं बताया नहीं रखा. There's so many more. By the way, everything is down below. So don't forget and read properly. Be a little patient, but read properly exactly क्या क्या चीज़ें नीचे हैं. Because honestly, if you're patient enough to go forward, this is going to change your life forever. Just like several other students out there. So what all things does it entail apart from this? Apart from your online course, which is I think 4.5 hour content approximately, you get live classes every single Thursday. Sunday को I usually go on an Instagram live with my students, जिसमें we'll be answering every single question. When I say we, it means me. I will be answering all the questions, and we'll also go live, like one-on-one, so that I can understand your problems, your brand, your business, your personal brand, whatever. जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. अच्छा, by the way, did I tell you this? आपको जो assignment मैं देता हूँ on the Thursday live class, that assignment is not any boring assignment. It's not like, okay, hypothetically imagine that you're here. No. It's on your own personal brand. Because the school that I have is called Unhu School of Execution. It's all about execution. And in fact, I call my students executioners. Because you see, it's not about theoretical learnings anymore. ठीक है, theory आपने सीख ली, but you need to learn how to execute it. And that's what you need to do here, and that's what it is for. Once you execute it, based on that, आपके challenges करते हो, आपको result मिलता है, आपको grades मिलते हैं, and उसके behalf में then you earn different kind of belt certificates, like white belt certificate, there is yellow belt certificate, green belt, blue belt, red belt, black belt. See, white belt is once you complete the online course, and you get a black belt when you reach that 1 lakh per month target. Now, remember, A to B, मेरा goal है that I take you to point B. थोड़ा और बताता हूँ मैं आपको, चलो. Apart from that, we have a private Telegram group and a private Facebook group. प्राइवेट फेसबुक ग्रुप में यू शेयर योर असाइनमेंट्स, यू गिव फीडबैक्स टू अदर पीपल, लोग अपना फीडबैक्स लेते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू गेट बेटर बाय द वे, थ्रू अ गुड नेटवर्क. एंड प्राइवेट टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में वी हैव लॉट ऑफ फन कॉन्वर्जेशंस. मैं कभी कभी क्विजेस पूछता हूँ, वी गिव ऑल द प्रॉपर अपडेट्स. मेल्स में तो कवर होते ही हैं, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट टेलीग्राम में यू गेट लाइक ओके वी हैव अ लाइव क्लास टुडे और वी हैव एन इंस्टाग्राम लाइव. क्विजेस वगैरह भी मैं वहाँ पे पूछता हूँ लोगों से, उनसे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें मैं शेयर करता हूँ, एनी इनसाइट्स दैट आई हैव हैड रिसेंटली एंड सेवरल अदर थिंग्स. आपके कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह सब वहीं पे क्लियर होते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस बाय द वे हैपेंस फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? दिस हैपेंस फॉर अ लाइफ टाइम. वाई लाइफ टाइम? लाइफ टाइम बिकॉज सबकी अलग अलग ग्रास्पिंग एबिलिटीज होती है. कुछ लोग, देर आर सम पीपल हु आर एबल टू ग्रास्प थिंग्स विद इन you know 1 week, 2 week, and they can get results within like 3 weeks. I've had students like that. Some people take 2 months, 3 months, could take up to a year. पर मैं आपका साथ नहीं छोड़ना चाहता. I want to make sure that I am there forever. Like I am there forever. You might be able to achieve a black belt within 2 months. But if you don't, I'm still there forever. And even if you do get a black belt, I'm still there forever. I want to make sure, see, my goal in life, my mission in life is to accelerate 100,000 careers by the year 2022. Now, if I want to do that, I cannot do that by, अच्छा चलो ठीक है एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स बेचा and I'm happy. No, I'm not going to do that. A lot of people are doing that. I don't think that is that. It's like, see, they can get information, but transformation नहीं होता. Transformation के लिए there needs to be a personalized touch, and वो आता है through a program. When there are live classes, when there is a private Facebook group, there is a private Telegram group, there are live classes, face-to-face conversations, several other things that are out there. The grading system, there is assignments that are your assignments, not assignments that you're. I've done assignments on Google Ads, Facebook Ads also. मतलब there is nothing. अगर आप ये this is one program, if you do, you probably won't even need any single online course ever. Like you just save the cost for all that. And I can dare you, go out there, go on the internet and find anything remotely similar to this. And even if you do find even half of the things that we provide in this webinar, like webinar on this program, half of the things would be nothing less for like 50,000 rupees. But I don't want to charge, because I know जैसे मैं 50,000 बोलूँगा आधे से ज़्यादा लोग भाग जाएंगे. 50,000 is a lot. You'll have to ask your parents, and parents have a very traditional mindset अभी भी, that नहीं कॉलेज करो, कॉलेज करके ये करो वो करो, and they don't understand it. So now I want you to make an investment on yourself. I don't want you to ask your parents, or even if you do, it's fine. It's like a pocket money, the amount I'm asking you. Actually, the course in itself is for 3,999. I'm slashing that. You can use a use 50 code. Now use 50 code में you'll get it for somewhere around 1,999. That's still 2,000. थोड़ा सा अभी भी ज़्यादा है. I want to make sure it is that affordable to you कि आप एक movie date में जाओ. And movie date में when you go there, usually the popcorn charges will be higher than the what do we call it, the ticket prices only. But if you're going on a movie date and spending right around about 4 hours maybe entirely, like movie plus the date, this will actually provide far more value, and it's for a lifetime. I'm going to charge you as less as $999,000. This is nothing. I'm not gonna become a millionaire to these 1,000 rupees. But the point is, I want to make sure that you are at least investing some amount. Agar you're not investing any amount, you won't be serious. But I need to make sure that sweet spot, thoda jo aapke liye you would feel like, हाँ, I can. At the same time, I need your commitment for that. And that is only possible if you put your money where your mouth is. It's the same way. I'm sure you would want the same. Once you start your own business, once you start working professionally, and once you start earning money, you don't want to do things for free. Free अपनी जगह ठीक है, थोड़े level पे चलता है. But then you want to make sure that people are putting their money where their mouth is. And this is what I want you to do. Now let me tell you, copywriting I literally implement in my life for 3 hours in a week. 3 hours. And I make 1 lakh rupees every single week. 1 lakh rupees. So majorly I'm making somewhere around 4 lakh rupees for 12 hours in a month. So this is something I'm still doing a little passively. I have 8 different business models of making money. ना कुछ तो होगा ना मेरे में, कुछ तो होगा that I can actually transfer it to you. मेरे बारे में और जानने के लिए you can just go down. I'm not gonna keep talking about myself. Just go down, read student testimonials. Testimonials भूल जाओ, student results देखो. Check out the results. What all have they achieved? I wanted to check out who am I, क्या क्या किया है मैंने अपनी लाइफ में. And by the way, I just turned 26. Like some days back, I turned 26. So I am closer to you, which means आप मतलब you know whatever I am saying जल्दी समझ आएगा. I can understand your problems properly as well. See guys, it's a wholehearted investment. It's like you'll realize that this is like a proper postgraduate degree in a way, and the cost of it is 999, and that too a one-time cost, not something which I'm charging every single month. One time, 999. It's ridiculously priced. And abhi bhi, if you're not getting into it, then I mean, I did my part. I hope you understand. So this is something that's going to actually change your life forever. Agar thoda sa bhi doubt ho, I want you to take out some time, patiently go through every single thing that is down there below, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you in my school. Okay, so see you guys there, and well, all the best. Take care guys.